Good morning, everyone. Myself Shmindra Kaur from B.Ed first year. Today I will discuss about the audiovisual aids and its importance. So first of all, what do you mean by audiovisual aids? Audiovisual aids are the instructional devices which are used to communicate messages more effectively through sounds and visuals. Audiovisual aids helps in stimulating sensory organs like eyes and ears and facilitates quick comprehension of the message by the audience. Now, what are the different definitions given by the writers? According to Bruton, those sensory objects or images which initiate and stimulate the reinforced learning. Audiovisual aids are also instructional material. These aids include print and non-print media, projected and non-projected media, hardware and software. We can classify AV aids into audio aids, visual aids, audio-visual aids both. In audio aids are those aids through which we hear, and the visual aids are those which we can see, and audiovisual aids are those aids in which we can both see and hear and learn. Audio aids any instructional devices that can be heard. Such type of aids involve sense of hearing. Audio teaching aids can be effective in language classes. Example: speaker, MP3 players, radio, tape recorder, headphones. Visual aids are those aids in which sense of vision is used. For example, models, actual objects, charts, pictures, maps, flashcards, slides and overhead projector, etc. Now, I would like to discuss importance of audio-visual aids. Audio-visual aids helps in conveying meaning clearly, helps to supplement spoken word, helps to impress the ideas better, helps to make teaching realistic, helps to attract the attention of audience, help to create better ideas, help to create interest in the learner, helps to change attitude. Another importance of audiovisual aids. Audiovisual aids used in teaching learning process have the wide significance from the view of teachers as well as learners. The importance of audiovisual aids are as below. First, use of maximum senses. Senses are said to be gateway of knowledge. Audiovisual aids can be called for utilization as many senses as possible and thereby facilitate the acquisition of maximum learning on the part of students. Based on maxims of teaching, the use of audiovisual aids provide assistance to the teacher for the following maxims of teaching, like simple to complex, concrete to abstract, known to unknown, and learning by doing, etc. Helpful in the process of attention. Attention is a key factor in any process of teaching learning. Audiovisual aids helps the teacher in creating proper situations and environment for capturing as well as maintaining the interest and attention of the students in the classroom activities. Clarify the subject matter. Audiovisual aids bring clarity to the various difficult and abstract concepts and phenomena related to various subject matters. Saves time and energy. Much of the time and energy of the teacher and the students may be saved on the account use of audiovisual aids, as most of the abstract concepts and phenomena may be easily clarified, understood and assimilated through their use. Meet the individual differences requirements. These are wide individual difference among learners. The use of various types of audiovisual aids helps in meeting the requirements of different types of pupils. Solve the problem of indiscipline. With the introduction of audiovisual aids, there is less room for creation of a passive, dull, and uninteresting environment in the classroom. help in development of scientific attitude. Use of audiovisual aids helps in cultivating scientific attitude among students. Thank you.